Just go to a browser. I am into my cognito mode and I recommend you the same, right? Just search for office.com, right? Here it will ask you for sign in and get Microsoft 365. Here on the above menus, you will see products. Go here and you will see for enterprises. You need to go to this for enterprise options. Here it will load some page and it will show you some kind of learn more about copilot option and see other plans and pricings. Just go to this option. Here you will see Microsoft 365 uh, versions and some kind of Office 365 versions, right? So here we have multiple features, and here we have Office 365 E3 and uh, 365 E5. So just you will see here we have try for free option. Just go to this try for free option for E5. It will ask you to sign up or sign in. So if you have any email id, then you can sign in, right? It will check the email id if you are required to sign in again or not. So I am entering my email id here. It will see that it will suggest me to set up the account, right? You need to create a new account, so you can just go to set up account. Here what you need to check is for country or region. Just select your country, right? For mine it is India, right? It is showing that it is not showing anything. Just fill up this form to just whatever with the details you want to add your email id, right? So I am doing the same here. Once you are ready with it, just click on next. Okay, so it is showing this product is not available in this market here, right? So what I would suggest you is just go back to the previous uh, version page, and here you see 365 E3s. Just go to it for try for free. The same thing we will do here. Just do the same thing by filling up the form. Here, just select your country. For mine, it is India, and just select answer these questions. Company size for me it's one person, and website I don't have it, and click on next. Right, so it has proceeded with it. So here just it will send you a verification code after on your number. Just click on that. Just enter your verification code here. Here enter your domain name, right? So it will be your username at the rate domain dot on microsoft.com, right? And you can just click on save here. For me, Soumya Agarwal at the rate soumyacodes dot on microsoft.com. Here just enter your password, correct? And click on next. So it might take few minutes or few seconds to let you sign up. Meanwhile, you can go to the new tab and search for app.powerbi.com. So this is the web page or the software as a service where you need to sign up for Power BI. So once it's done for us, so it's done already. So here, okay, so here I need to add the payment method. Here just this is okay, total total, right? And trial before tax. So we have already just it's a free or trial version. Just add the payment method, correct? After it's done, just go here and enter your details here. The email ID that you have created. Press enter or click on submit. Click on sign in. Enter password here. Yes. You need to create your account here if you are the first time user. So just go with the details. So here India and business mobile number, just enter yours and get started. And it is saying thanks for signing up for Microsoft Fabric free. Your username is this. You can just copy this username and paste it somewhere. Let's say my Excel is already opened. Here I am just saving it. So just click on get started. See, your Power BI software as a service is now signed up.